Hi, welcome to Healthie, a free online client portal that makes it easy for you to connect with your healthcare provider remotely. You can access your secure Healthie account from all of the devices that you use, your computer, tablet, and even from the Healthie mobile app. Healthie provides a modern and secure way for you to work with your healthcare provider. Through Healthie, you are able to book sessions, pay for services, send a chat message to your provider, complete forms, join telehealth video calls, log your meals and journal entries, track your physical activity, check off completed goals, and so much more. To get started with Healthie, you must be working with a healthcare provider that uses Healthie. They will send you an invite link, which you'll receive via email. If you haven't received one, be sure to ask your healthcare provider. Once you receive your invite email, you'll be able to create a password and access your Healthie client portal. Healthie is secure, so rest assured your information is held privately and securely only for your provider to review, and your information will not be shared with others outside of the provider's organization. Let's walk through the core features of your Healthie client portal. We'll start with reviewing your account while logged in from a computer, and in the second part of this video, we'll walk through your experience on the Healthie mobile app. Please note your wellness provider can customize your experience on Healthie, so your client portal or features may look a bit different than what we show here today. When you log into Healthie, you'll see your home dashboard, which serves as a central place to stay up to date on upcoming sessions, recent entries you've posted, goals to complete, and useful links that your provider has shared with you. If this is your first time logging into the platform, you'll see a prompt to complete any paperwork that your wellness provider has requested. Completing your paperwork electronically through Healthie ensures that your private health information and any billing information is always kept secure. You can review or complete your paperwork at any time by going to Forms on your Healthie dashboard. Simply click on a form to complete it, and you can even e-sign directly. Your wellness provider will be notified that you've completed your form, and they'll be able to view it without you needing to send it to them. In the gear icon of your Healthie account, you'll see some useful links. The first is your personal account link, which will allow you to adjust any personal information like your name or your address and your password. You can update your credit card on file. You can set up any integrations with Apple Health, Fitbit, or Google Fit. When you set up an integration, the data and metrics from your device will automatically sync with your Healthie account, so you won't need to input that data twice. Your provider will be able to view those metrics and also give you some comments and support. You can also adjust your notifications from Healthie. And if you're working with multiple providers that use Healthie, you can switch the provider that you're working with. Back on the dashboard, you'll notice the wellness goals. You are able to track wellness goals alongside your provider and check off your goals each day once you have completed them. Healthie also automatically tracks your progress and keeps you informed of any streaks you have achieved along the way. You'll see the option to post an entry through Healthie's journaling tool. Healthie's journaling offers a great way to keep track of your wellness habits, as you can take pictures of your meals, add workouts, health metrics, and even take a photo. Once you log an entry, your wellness provider will be able to see it and give you comments and support. You can add an entry by clicking the type of post you'd like to make and following the prompts, such as adding a picture, description, key health indicators, and then clicking Post Entry. You can view all of your food journal entries in the Food Journal tab and see any comments that your provider has left. You can also go to your workouts, which will log any activity from your synced devices if you've set any up, and your metrics as well. Back in your menu, you'll see the option for chat. Healthie's chat platform allows you to connect directly with your healthcare provider. It can be useful for asking questions in between sessions and coordinating logistics for an upcoming session. It's just like text messaging, but it's kept really secure within your Healthie client portal, and only your provider will receive these messages. Another important feature of Healthie is the Appointments tab. Here you can see any upcoming or past appointments that you've had. You can book an appointment by clicking Book and finding the appointment that you'd like to create. Find availability on your provider's calendar, and select the contact type, which is video call, phone, or in person. Again, your wellness provider can adjust these settings and may only offer certain contact types for different appointments. Once booked, you'll see a confirmation, and you'll also get an email with the details. In the Appointments tab of your account, you'll see the option to click the Action tab to confirm your appointment, add it to the calendar, reschedule, or cancel, depending on the settings that your provider has enabled. If your appointment is a video call, a blue banner will appear at the top of your Healthie provider account 10 minutes prior to your appointment time. You can launch your video call from the web browser or from the mobile app. We highly recommend, if this is the first time you're using the video chat, to go to the gear icon and test your video chat connection. This will enable you to set up your video and your audio for the best connection during your call. You'll also see packages in Healthie. If your provider has made any available for you to purchase, you can click the Packages tab and learn more about the service, and then purchase. You can view any of your payments that you've made and any invoices that you've received. Lastly, if your provider has any programs available, you can click the Programs tab to view your enrolled program. You'll be able to complete the steps of your program and return back at any time to see past information. Your provider will be able to track your progress through the program and will know when you've completed all of the modules. Now let's switch over to the Healthie mobile app. The mobile app has a lot of the functionality that the web platform has and is a convenient way to keep in touch with your provider on the go. You can download the app in the App Store or Google Play Store. When you log into your account from the mobile app, you'll see your dashboard, which is very similar from the web browser. You'll see the options to post a journal entry, like food, activity, metrics, and pictures. You'll see upcoming sessions, current goals, and useful links. You can log a journal entry by tapping the entry and completing the prompts. It's as easy as that. You can select a goal to view more or to mark it off as complete. On the bottom menu, you can click Chat to start a conversation with your provider. You can review your goals. And you can go to your Sessions tab, which will show you past and upcoming appointments. You can also book a new appointment by clicking the Book tab. Follow the prompts to complete your appointment from the app. You'll see any important notifications by going to the bell. And you can also click the menu on the top left, the 3 lines, to see an expanded menu. Here you can view any documents, metrics, programs, and your settings. You can also connect your wearable fitness devices by going to the Integrations tab here and seeing Apple Fit, Fitbit, and Google Fit. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about how to use Healthie, visit our client help guide at clienthelp.gethealthie.com or reach out to your healthcare provider directly.